You broke the car.
What? Where do you want to go? Plastic first or no? We should get food first if you want to get food. Luckily it was orange. Stuff on top. Put everything that's back here in the back seat. That should do it. And if we're gonna destroy something, let's do it intentionally. Let's see. Alexis intended this as the primary use.
Idiot.
That wasn't the seats, that was the... There we go. That's pretty even. Now we got one more 2x4 that has to go somewhere. I'm not putting this back here. It's gonna get lost in the mess. Why did you try this yourself?
Got it. Dirty.
Let's do this in between.
Kick the side, waves around and snaps in half. That'd be good.
Too bad. What's up, guys? We got it in the car.
We got a new car.
And that should be good. Well, this is gonna be tight. I don't know if it's gonna be tight. Don't make me carry feet.
You've done that yourself.
Nice and bent.
Nice and bent. They're tight. Stop! There you go. No! No!
Mine.
Can't just leave it outside. It'll never be outside later.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop ranting.
Come to this window, yeah.
No, no, no.
I could do it, but I don't.
This is the defroster module, but we don't need that anymore. And I gotta extend this, the brake light cable, all the way up here.
You changed the light yet? No.
No. Run it up the A-pillar where the wiring for the ceiling lights go. Yeah. But that's ridiculous. So.
Ridiculous.
But for now, I'm just gonna do it extra long and have some extra slack, and it'll just go straight up to there, out in the open. And then we'll tuck it behind the headliner. Almost. Then we gotta put 2x4s here, along this ridge of metal right here.
We'll be up here, so that'll cover that up. We will have to definitely
caulk around it a lot.
That's the easiest place to caulk stuff, is down at the bottom. Will this fit through here? I'm just gonna coil this up and shove it in this little alcove and never think about it again. It'll be there forever. In case anyone ever feels like putting a defroster on their plastic window, which is a great idea, by the way.
I don't know which way to fix it.
I
almost had it there.
Can you get me a pilot bit?
Almost. Go through yet? Oh.
Don't touch that.
It's gonna be insanely hot, yeah.
True now. Way too true.
Oh, the wall's gonna go.
The wall's gonna go on this side of it,
Oh,
straight
okay.
across. Want to bet? How many holes do you think I've drilled? It's rocking down so far. It's gonna be so freaking hot. A bigger hole?
Yeah, just tap it really hard.
I can't do that. It's steel, mate. There's two.
Oh, you got all the support structure off and everything?
That's what I was doing.
Dang, that looks good.
Sideways.
Huh?
You're not gonna cut it like that. Sideways. Sideways.
Huh?
You're not gonna cut it like that. Sideways. Sideways.
Huh?
You're not gonna cut it like that. Sideways.
You know, the little tiny dip at the bottom.
How do you get this in?
Put it in an angle. Right through it because it's plastic, so you won't know until you're already in it. Nate,
I got this.
don't start the blade against the wood. That's not a good idea.
Like that.
Do it very carefully because this is a big piece. Ah, I see. Yeah. Half-inch ply with the quarter-inch sandwiched in it, then another half-inch. Unless you want to just switch to just. No, we'll send me that one.
Yeah, 96 niggas too. Whiplash, whiplash, whiplash. Them boys acting all brand new, huh? I could peep it in your style, little Theo.